Hello friends, welcome to I Made Me Think end-to-end website testing using Selenium, Cucumber and Java. So we were discussing about a typical ticket booking website and what are the features to be considered. We saw some examples, we saw end-to-end scenarios, and we have done a code walkthrough sample run also. So we have seen the page abstract page object, we have seen the individual page objects model. We have seen how to analyze the logs from the console output. Now let us see some HTML format output. So this is something which I have already done it for one particular website, and that is what we will see now. So this is just an example. So this is, for example, this is the console output. This is the entire console output when I did a sample run, and there are a lot of prints available for analysis. This is very easy to understand. So let's go through the HTML code, the HTML reporting. It has to be opened in browser. So Eclipse has one internal browser, and bingo. So here the reporting is based on the HTML, scenario specific, and it is very clear that based on a step. So if the step is passed, it is marked as green. So it is very clear that, see, for example, for background is getting executed first, and then background steps, and then this scenario outline and the steps, again background scenario outline. So if you see further, for example, this is red or pink, so this particular step is failed. Clear trip test result should be successful or log error message. So in the HTML format, reporting format, this becomes very easy and very simple to understand that which is failed, which is not failed. So console output is one way, which is also good to see, and HTML format. So now you see there's some exception occurred. For example, download test failed for BlackBerry. Some issue is it cannot navigate to a page, or so we can go to this particular line and we can see. So first thing is we can do it manually, or then we can go to the exception, the particular line in the code, and then we can see that. So this is how the reporting is done. Now next question is how to expand. So tomorrow, if you want to verify another travel ticket booking website, then looking at this existing scenarios, what we find is the number of scenarios, or the scenario pattern remains the same, the scenario type remains the same. For example, let's say GUI option validation, or let's say scenario combination validation. So no matter what website it is, no matter what type of website it is, we will have something called from city valid names, to city valid names, and then search for some date. So the pattern remains the same. So as I said in the earlier video, every scenario, every feature file, I have around 80 scenarios, 80 plus scenarios for a website. So if you tomorrow for a new website, it becomes very easy, very handy to just copy the existing feature file. For example, let's say we want to validate for this particular website. So just design a new feature file, and just it is not as simple as that, but it is very easy, and more or less in the URL, title, the type of element remains the same. The expected attribute may change based on the website. For example, it might not have the link for hotel and buses, but some other links it will have. So basic pattern or basic skeleton remains the same. So that and taking the other scenarios also in consideration with little bit modification, and it is easy to expand quickly. So that is the advantage in this framework which I have designed. Thanks for watching.